Yes, that is my real name. If you did not know, then you better get with it, okay?
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah.
Okay, so we are here with all the ingredients to make your avocado hair smoothie. This avocado hair smoothie is a deep conditioning hair treatment made with all natural ingredients you can find just in your kitchen. This treatment instantly leaves your hair feeling a lot softer and a lot shinier looking. And the first thing that you would need, obviously, is a smoothie blender. Now, if you don't have a blender, smashing all of the ingredients with just a fork is just fine, but this will be your second item that you would need. Then you're going to also need a bowl. Now, for the ingredients, you're going to need avocado, obviously, banana, egg, any kind of like fatty oils. I use coconut oil. What else do you need? You also need a strawberry. Well, you don't need a strawberry. This is just optional. This is a specialty thing that I do. But anyways, that's why I call it a smoothie, because like I'm adding extra ingredients in there. And also I had ran out of olive oil, so what I'm using is the rest of my 100% pure jojoba oil. And then you're going to need your honey. Make sure that the honey is 100% natural, okay? And it doesn't have any other ingredients in there, okay? So I'm going to go ahead and take my avocado. I'm going to take the little seed out. Then I'm going to make sure your avocado is ripe. By the way, I didn't mention that in the beginning, but make sure your avocado is ripe. Then you want to take your fork and just scoop the avocado out of its shell. Well, out of the skin. So you just want to go ahead and do that. Make sure you're getting everything, okay? Everything. Okay. Now that we have the avocado out of the way, then we're going to take our banana and just break it apart. Okay. Then we're going to smash. This can get kind of messy, so I recommend you to keep, paper towels in hand. Until it looks like that. Okay. Now we are going to take our coconut oil and we're just going to go ahead, scoop that out of there. Okay. Then we're going to continue on smashing. You want to go ahead and take your jojoba oil. Or any kind of oil that you're using. I'm going to use the whole entire thing since it's almost gone. That right there. Okay, now you want to take your egg. Go ahead and crack your egg. Then you're going to want to take your honey and pour the honey in there. Okay. Going to go ahead and mix it. Okay, so we're down to like the last steps. So we're going to actually scoop this out of the bowl and pour it into the smoothie cup. Now, this is when the strawberry comes in. Going to go ahead and boop. And then after that, I forgot to mention this, but you will also need I'm using spring water, but I'm keeping it on standby just in case I'm going to need some. So here we go. Okay, obviously this blender, I'm going to have to get like a Ninja blender because this blender, it gets stuck. So I'm just going to go ahead and mix it myself. Got that out of the way. I'm gonna open it. Oh my gosh. Oops. Y'all, look at that. Look at that. Yes. Now I'm going to take my bowl. I just washed my bowl out. And I'm just going to go ahead and pour this in here. Make sure you apply the hair treatment directly on freshly washed wet or damp hair from the roots to the ends. For the best results, leave treatment in hair for 30 to 40 minutes covered in the shower cap. And that's that. So pretty.